The truth about ChatGPT's limitations. ChatGPT. Is it a genius or just pretending? Sure, it can write essays and crack jokes, but what happens when you ask it for something? Today, we're diving into the truth about ChatGPT's limitations, and trust me, you're gonna laugh. Today, we're peeling back the layers of ChatGPT to find out what it's great at, and where it hilariously falls flat. Spoiler alert. AI isn't as invincible as it seems. Let's give credit where it's due. ChatGPT is amazing at writing content. Need a poem about pizza? Done. A professional email? Easy. Explaining concepts. From quantum physics to why cats hate water, ChatGPT can break it down. Coding assistance. It can debug or help you write a quick Python script. Real-life example. One user asked ChatGPT to create a workout plan based on their fitness goals, and it worked perfectly. It gave a balanced routine with explanations for each exercise. But let's talk about when ChatGPT goes off the rails. Making stuff up. ChatGPT can't admit it doesn't know something. Instead, it creates fake answers. Ask it for a scientific fact it hasn't been trained on, and it might just invent one. Funny fail. Someone asked ChatGPT for the tallest mountain in Kansas. It confidently replied with, Mount Sunflower, which is actually a tiny hill. Bad at context. ChatGPT struggles with nuance. For example, it might mix up sarcasm and sincerity. Example. A user jokingly asked for the best way to steal the moon, and ChatGPT gave a straight-faced step-by-step answer. Yikes. Can't predict the future. People think AI is psychic, but ChatGPT doesn't know anything past its training data. Ask it who'll win the next election, and it'll dodge the question like a politician. So why does ChatGPT fail in these areas? It doesn't understand. ChatGPT processes patterns, not meaning. It doesn't know anything. It just predicts the next word based on its training data. No real-time updates. It can't browse the web or pull in real-time data unless connected to external tools. It's a people pleaser. ChatGPT is designed to try and answer every question, even when it doesn't have the right info. Here's the takeaway. ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise. Use it for brainstorming, drafting, and learning, but double-check its work, especially if it's something important. Success story. A student used ChatGPT to summarize textbook chapters for quicker revision. Fail story. Another user trusted ChatGPT's legal advice for a parking ticket appeal. It was totally wrong, and they lost the case. ChatGPT is incredible but flawed, just like us humans. It's not about replacing creativity or critical thinking, it's about enhancing them. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at what it can do. What's the weirdest or funniest thing ChatGPT has told you? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech insights.